Welcome to our channel. We're so excited to dive into Jane Austen's classic novel, Pride and Prejudice. If you're just joining us, we highly recommend checking out our previous video where we covered chapters 3 and 4. This video will pick up where we left off and continue our journey through the story. So make sure to watch the previous video to get the full context and follow along with us as we explore Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy's captivating tale of love and misunderstandings. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of 19th century England and the social complexities of high society. Let's get started. You are listening to Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. Chapter 5 of Pride and Prejudice introduces Mr. Collins, a distant cousin of the Bennet family and the new heir to their estate. Mr. Collins visits Longbourn to marry one of the Bennet daughters and ensure the continuation of the family line. Upon arrival, Mr. Collins proves to be a pompous and absurd individual, with a strong sense of his importance. He is also quite taken with himself and is eager to impress the Bennet family with his connections to Lady Catherine de Bourgh, his wealthy patroness. Despite Mr. Collins' attempts to win over the Bennet family, he is not well received. Elizabeth, in particular, is put off by his affected manners and lack of genuine feelings. Mrs. Bennet, however, is eager to see one of her daughters marry Mr. Collins, as it would secure the future of the family. The chapter also explores the theme of marriage and its role in the society depicted in the novel. Mr. Collins' proposal of marriage is seen as a matter of duty and financial security, rather than a union based on love or compatibility. Overall, Chapter 5 focuses on the arrival of Mr. Collins at Longbourn and his attempts to win over the Bennet family. The chapter explores the theme of marriage and its role in the society depicted in the novel, as well as the impact of first impressions on relationships. Through Mr. Collins' interactions with the Bennet family, the reader begins to see the absurdity of some of the societal expectations and norms of the time. Chapter 6 focuses on the arrival of Lydia, the youngest Bennet's daughter, at Longbourn. Lydia is lively and impulsive and is eager to enter the world of society and find a husband. Despite her mother's efforts to keep her in check, Lydia is determined to attend the upcoming militia ball in Meryton. At the ball, she catches the eye of George Wickham, a handsome and charming officer in the militia. Wickham and Lydia quickly strike up a friendship, and Lydia becomes infatuated with him. Despite the warnings of her family, she is eager to spend as much time with him as possible. The chapter also introduces the theme of the dangers of youthful impulsiveness, as Lydia's infatuation with Wickham threatens to bring shame and scandal upon the Bennet family. It also highlights the importance of reputation and societal expectations, as Lydia's actions could have serious consequences for her family. Overall, Chapter 6 focuses on the arrival of Lydia at Longbourn and her introduction to society. The chapter explores the theme of youthful impulsiveness and its dangers, as well as the importance of reputation and societal expectations in the society depicted in the novel. Through Lydia's interactions with Wickham, the reader begins to see the darker side of relationships in the society depicted in the novel, and the consequences of impulsive behavior. We hope you enjoyed this summary of chapters 5 and 6 of Pride and Prejudice. There's still so much more to come, with plenty of twists and turns ahead in this timeless classic. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for immediate updates, as we take you through each chapter of this beloved novel. And if you haven't read the book yet, don't worry. You can easily get your hands on a copy by clicking the link in the description below. Get ready to fall in love with the world of Elizabeth Bennet and Mr. Darcy all over again, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.